Good afternoon. So, ngayon, nandito kami ngayon sa Carrefour Grocery. And tingnan nyo naman yung mga kahoy ditong binebenta. Ang mahal. Tingnan nyo yan, oh. 8 euros, 8.10. So, ang 1 euro is 62 or 63 pesos. Ayan yung tipak-tipak na puno. Ayan, oh. Ang mahal. Grabe, may 9 euro pa. Yung kahoy na ganyan, oh. Tapos, may mais din yung pagukpok na mais. 760 euro. And mayroon tayo dito sa baba na ano. Ayan o, yung mga kahoy na pang ano. Grabe ang mamahal, guys. Ayan. Tapos, mayroon akong kukunin na bola. Ayan. 5 euros. Saglit lang, mayroon tayo ditong kukunin. Ay, wag dito. Ang dami ding ano, mga pagkain ng pusa. And alam nyo ba guys, gustong-gusto ko talagang magluto ng corned beef dito. And alam nyo, sabi ng asawa ko, once daw na bumili ako ng corned beef dito is para lang sa akin. Or ham, yung ham. Ano ba yung tawag doon? Yung parang spam. Sabi ng asawa ko, pag bumili daw ako nun, make sure na itago ko at ako lang yung kakain. Kasi pag nakita niya daw, ano, pag nakita niya daw, itatapon niya daw. Kasi pagkain daw yun ng pusa. Kakainis yung asawa. Ayan. May hinahanap ako. Ang dami-daming ano dito ng mga pusa. Para kasing bala kong mag-alaga ng pusa. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga ano, 13 euro. So, i-times nyo na lang yan. Ang 1 euro is 63 or 62. I don't know. Tingnan nyo itong bow na yan, oh. Grabe yung bow. Naka-flash pa yung aking ano. May mga damit. Ayan. Parang gusto kong bumili ng bola. Ayan, ang cute. Wala kasi silang ano dito. Ito yung bola. Ang mamahal naman ng laruan ng mga ano, pusa. Eh, nasaan na kaya yung ano ko? Saan na kaya sila? Ah, dito. Can I have... Yes. Do you have sabon that I can use mild in my hands? Because I said to you I need to wash my delicate clothes. Like I can use my hand. What's this, my love? It's sabon. Tingnan nyo namang mamahal ng sabon. Oy, this one. Like a bar. This is sabon for clothes. Ay, it's so mabaho. Ah, this one sabon. Ah, for plate. Something like that, my love. Maybe we can find it over here. Napakadaming different kind of sabon here. Ayan, mga tissue. Dito naman yung mga ano. Ano ba ito? Mga pabango ng damitan. Ito, oh. Ang mamahal naman mga guys. Mayroon palang hanger din eh. 2 euro. O-order na lang talaga ako online. 2, 4, 5. My love! Come here! Hanger. Parang gusto ko talagang, ang nipis-nipis kasi eh. Tingnan nyo naman, ang ninipis. Tapos ang mamahal. 4 na piraso. 2, 4, 6 pieces. 99. Look at this. 0.99 euro, 6 pieces. Something I can clean like that, something like that, no? This one can clip. I don't know which one is that. Look at this one. Ayan. Mamimili kasi kami guys ng panglinis ng bahay kasi maglilinis kami sa apartment ngayon. Ayan. Saglit na. It's like this, my love. You can smoosh, clip like this. Push. This one. The one that like it's not nice, this one. I want something that I can like the one in the house.
Papa, stop! That's it for Mama. Mama, you like this?
Look at this.
Mama,
The
you like?
vacuum.
Mama,
Yes,
you like this?
of course.
You want this?
My gloves. You want this?
You want the gun?
We need this. Microfiber.
Mama, you like this? Mama,
Where's the thing?
Mommy, you like this?
Saglit lang mga guys.
Mama,
No, I don't like it. Something this one. How much is this? €5. 5.69 euro. I need this one.
Papa, that's it for Papa.
Microfiber. This one.
This one I don't like it.
I like it.
No, I like blue.
This one would count.
Yeah. Yeah, something like that. This one is, I don't like that one. The one I used to Michelin is so ugly. It's like this. It's not even working.
Like what?
Yeah. You put there, and then it's after you put the sabon, it's still there. I don't know. It's up to you, my love. I use like that to Michelin, but I like your mom like this. This one, it's turning around. Is that together with the mop? Or only machine? Is that only machine?
It's supposed to be everything inside.
You sure? Can you check? It's only one. You can check. Smarter. You can check. Yeah, it's only this. Ah, yeah. It's everything there. Yeah. And this one. Like this, like this, my love. Something soft like that. Wala silang walis. Tagal naman. Pizza. King. Wala silang walis mga guys. And kailangan ko yung ganito. Expert. Do we have this, my love? Do we have this?
No, you can take this one.
I want that one.
Okay, you can buy the one there, no?
Can I see? Okay.
Mama, you.
I have already, my love. Mayroon pala dito eh. Ito pala. Ang galing talaga ng asawa ko. Which one is good? It's all the same color. This one. Yeah. Ah, they have like this here also. No.
I need something
For what?
dishwasher.
For the dishwasher? Like the one I get?
No, vers special product.
Like this. Ah, special product. Tingnan nyo to, parang alcampor to mga guys, pero salt ito. Tapos I think nilalagay ito sa sa area ng tubig. Hindi ko lang sure kung saan. Para siyang mga ganyan yung itsura niya, oh. Mga asin, butas na asin yan mga guys, na nilalagay sa around toilet area, and I don't know kung saan pa siya ginagamit. And kailangan ko ng glue. Ang mamahal naman ng glue. Tingnan nyo naman yung glue dito. Oh, super glue ng shoes. Saan yung nakita kong shoes? Ito sa shoes and bag. Where is the... You boom? You boom! Ayan. Daming cable, lights. Of course. Mga iba't ibang uri ng battery. Mayroon ditong flashlight. Oh. Pwede natin yung bilihin ang mahal-mahal, oh. Pwede natin tong advertise. Di battery siya mga guys. Ano yan? May hinahanap ako na lights, pero gusto ko yung ang cute nito, oh. Wow! Ay, ang galing. Gaganyan siya, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ang galing. Meron akong hinahanap yung parang pwede kong ilagay sa Ito yung mga, ang liit-liit naman nito, oh. 8 euro. Ang dami-dami lang pwede ditong Ito, ang cute naman ito. Mayroon pa nga dito, oh. Tingnan nyo to mga guys, yung pinapaapoy. Daming kandila. Oh my God. Ang bango. Grabe yung kandila. Ayan. Saglit lang mga guys, stop ko muna ito.